2025 Prelim TNS School Paper 1 Booklet B, Question 30. The table shows the first 3 rows of a number pattern. Okay, in which column and which row will the number 498 appear? Okay, I want you to take a look at this. 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6. And then the number move in the reverse direction. 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Alright, and I'm going to group this into one set. How many numbers are there in one set? 8 numbers. Right? And then the first step that I'm going to do is to take 498 minus 2. Why? Because the number 1 and 2 are missing from the front. Okay, so let's take out the first 2 numbers. This will give us 496. Now, this 496 needs to be split into sets of 8 numbers each. Okay, so let's take 496 divided by 8. This will give us 62. What is 62? 62 sets. Is there any remainder? No, remainder 0. What does this mean? The number 498 will appear at the end of the 62nd set. Which means that, remember, the last number in this set is in column A. Okay, the last number of every set will appear in column A. Alright, so given that there's no remainder, it means that 498 will appear in the last number of the set of the 62nd set. That gives us column A, and in which row will it be? Each set will take up 2 rows, right? Each set will take up 2 rows. We are in the 62nd set. So we have to take 62 multiplied by 2. That will give us 124 rows. Okay? So our answer for the second part of the question is 124.